asked me in my comments how to cut off sounds or whatnot when they in the pad mode, which I'm assuming they're talking about from here. Normally what I do before every track is I set up the settings for that pad. Whereas I'm gonna load the sound. Okay. When I put it in pad mode, which is holding shift and pad on the machine, I wouldn't know how you do it on the micro or any of the other ones, but this is the studio. I just hold shift and pad, and it lights up every other key. Well, it automatically separates and cut off each sound. Other than that, sometimes I go up to where it says, let me see. Say for instance, you have a sample or a wave file that you want to bring in, like your drum kits or whatnot. Okay, now that I have that loaded right here, see how it drowns out each sound when you in the basses or whatnot. I normally just go, I hit browse, and it brings up this parameter here where it says pitch and everything. If you hit the backspace, it'll take you to where it says voice settings right here, and it's set on 8. Well, I just take it and I put it on 1, and now what you have is, see, it cuts off each sound. Hopefully that helps you out, and as well as others who was wondering the same thing. It's quite simple. All I ask is you subscribe, like, comment, and hopefully I can keep putting up these tutorials, man. Other than that, peace out.